A for airplane high, zooming swiftly through the sky. B for banana, yellow and sweet, a tasty fruit we love to eat. C for candle, glowing bright, shining softly in the night. D for dolphin, playful and free, jumping high above the sea. E for elephant, big and grand, waving trunk across the land. F for frog, hopping around, croaking songs with funny sound. G for grapes, purple and small, juicy treats, we love them all. H for hat, on my head, keeps me warm. B for bed, I for ice cream, cold and yummy, melts so fast inside my tummy. J for juice, fresh and sweet, a sunny drink we love to meet. K for key, shiny and bright, opens doors with all its might. L for lemon, sour delight, makes our faces wrinkle tight. M for mouse, tiny and quick, runs around to play a trick. N for nurse, gentle and kind, helping people all the time. O for orange, round and fine, full of juice, taste divine. P for potato, brown and fun, mashed or fried for everyone. Q for queen, crown on head, rules the castle soft in bed. R for rabbit, hopping by, wiggly nose and twinkling eye. S for snake, long and sly, sliding softly as winds pass by. T for train, on the track, choo-choo goes and won't look back. U for unicorn, magic bright, sparkles shining in the night. V for violin, gentle tune, play so sweet beneath the moon. W for watermelon, juicy red, summer smiles are widely spread. X for xylophone, colors sing, music dancing on each string. Y for yacht, sails away across the ocean every day. Z for zebra, black and white, stripes that shine in morning light.